Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sonos Roam. Now you can pick this up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $170. Now it comes in two different colors. You got Shadow Black and Lunar White. Alright, so let's go through all of the specs. Now the speaker does feature Wi-Fi compatibility. So that means you can use this as a multi-room speaker. Now you also got Bluetooth, so you can pair it up to any phone, tablet, laptop, or any other Bluetooth device. Now you got Apple AirPlay 2, you got voice control. The speaker's IP67 dust and water resistant, which means you could submerge this in water for 3 feet up to 30 minutes. Now the battery life on this is 10 hours. You got USB Type-C charging, and you can also use wireless charging. Now, Sonos sells a wireless charger for $50, but they also say that you can use any Qi wireless charging pad. Now, you got a Sonos app that's going to let you control your music and also change the EQ settings. And once you connect to Wi-Fi, you're going to get automatic updates. All right, so all of that for $170. Let's see what it is. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to answer the most important question everybody been asking me. Should you buy the Sonos Roam for $170? Or should you get one of my favorite speakers, the JBL Charge 5, for $180? Now, my money is going on the Charge 5. I hope I'm wrong. All right, I hope I'm wrong. Okay, here we go. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Sonos Roam. Now, this looks like a very eco-friendly packing. Okay, no unboxing knife necessary. Let's see, Apple AirPlay, iPhone, iPad. Okay, here we go, Sonos Roam. Let's see, now this unfolds inside the box. Now, my money is definitely going on the Charge 5 because look how small and lightweight this speaker is. I think it's going to be impossible to sound better than the Charge 5, but it's definitely going to be more portable than the Charge 5. All right, Shoes, inspect that for quality. Let's see what else you get. Now, this is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. Let's see, USB-A to USB Type-C. Of course, you got your usual books and shit. Let's see what they look like. Let's see if this is a novel. Okay, warranty information. Quick start guide. Looks simple enough. And that's pretty much it. Now, no wireless charger in the box. Again, sold separately for $50. Okay, now for a quick size comparison, here's the JBL Charge 5, and here's the Sonos Roam. When it comes to the weight, the Sonos Roam is 10 times lighter. All right, this is a really lightweight speaker compared to the Charge 5. You're not putting this in your pocket. The Sonos Roam you could possibly put in your pocket and walk around with this. Now on the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place if you're rocking it like this, but you can also stand it up. So horizontal and vertical. On the top, you got your mic button, because this does have voice command. You got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. Nice clicky buttons on that. On the bottom, looks like nothing. On the back, this might be your power button and your USB Type-C charge input. Let's go ahead and hit that button and see if anything happens. Nothing. All right, let me plug this in and charge it up. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the setup process on this is real simple. You're going to set it up just like any other Sonos speaker. Now, you can download the app and set it up using Wi-Fi, or you can use Bluetooth. Now, if you want to use Bluetooth, you just hold down the power button until it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode, and then set it up like that. Or you can use NFC. So if you got an Android phone, tap it to the back, it'll pair right up. Now, I'm connected with Wi-Fi. So I got the standard Sonos app open. You can change the EQ settings and control all your music, download all your streaming services. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. I'm going to start off with max volume. Here we go. All right, now, y'all can't see me, but I'm back here smiling. I am impressed. I can't believe that sound is coming out of this small, lightweight speaker. This is incredible. Now, when I first held the speaker in my hand, I said, nah, this speaker's so light, it's going to sound like trash. I was getting ready to bash this. Boy, was I wrong. All right. Now, I'm pretty sure the JBL Charge 5 is going to sound better, but a speaker this size to sound this good, this is incredible. Let me play one more song. Let's take it to something else. Here we go. Bro, this is so dope. This is so dope. The best thing about this speaker is how small and lightweight it is, and that sound. This video is not doing it justice. This is crazy. Now, I'm gonna put it right next to a JBL Charge 5 so you can really hear the difference. But still, if you're looking for portability and a Wi-Fi speaker, this is dope. I can imagine two of these next to my laptop. Oh, this is crazy. All right, this is crazy. Let me set up the JBL. All right, so here we go. JBL Charge 5 versus the Sonos Roam. Now, I got two iPhones, same song, same volume, same music streaming service. Here we go. I'm going to start off with the Sonos Roam. All right, here's the JBL Charge 5. All right, now, the Sonos sounds dope until you pull out a JBL Charge 5, then it sounds like trash. All right, let's do it one more time. Here goes the Sonos. Now look, doesn't sound like trash, but it doesn't even come close to the Charge 5. I hope y'all got on headphones. Here goes the Sonos Roam. All right, now here's the JBL Charge 5. Okay, now just to make this fair, let me try one more song. Okay, so here goes the Sonos Roam. Okay, now here's the JBL. Okay, now here's my final verdict. The JBL Charge 5 definitely sounds louder, it definitely sounds cleaner, and it has way more bass. Okay, so if it was me and my money, I would spend the extra $10 and go with the JBL Charge 5. But as far as the Sonos, this speaker is dope. For a speaker this small and this lightweight to sound this good, it's kind of mind-blowing. If the Sonos was the same size and weight as the JBL, then it would be a serious problem. But look, think about it like this. It's really not that much bigger. If you could carry this, you could carry this. All right. Now, unless you just really want to walk around with a speaker in your back pocket, this is too big for that. But if you got a little beach bag, you got a little duffel bag, a book bag, and you're going somewhere and you want to rock your music, go with the JBL Charge 5. Now, if you already got a full Sonos system in the house and you want to have multi-room music, then you got to go with the Sonos because you already got your Play 1s or your Play 5 or your Sonos Play Bar and your subwoofer, and you want to just have this set, in a different room playing all the same music at the same time, then this is good. All right, this is good for the Wi-Fi compatibility, but just as a Bluetooth speaker on its own, I would definitely 100% go with the JBL Charge 5. Now, I'm not saying the Sonos is trash, but the Charge 5 is just killing it. This is just a dope little speaker. I'm putting this in my bag right now and taking this with me. I know I'm all back here getting tongue tied. I'm taking this with me to Vegas. That's what I wanted to say. Hold on, let me smack myself. I'm taking this with me to Vegas. It's early in the morning. I'm tired. I've been up all night. The Sonos Roam is a major go, but if it's me and my money, trust me when I tell you, go with the JBL Charge 5. Now, all of the speakers that I get in the next couple of days or a couple of weeks, I'm going to be comparing to the JBL Charge 5 because this is arguably the best bang for your buck. $180 worth every penny. Now, is this worth $170? I would say yes. I would definitely say yes. The portability factor on this. Small, lightweight. It does look dope. Very modern. And it sounds great. Let's play one more time. Let me find one more song. Let's see what we got. Let's try that same song from the beginning. One more time. Why not? Matter of fact, yeah, here we go. Let's try this one. Look how light this is. This is dope. I like this. Wait for that bass line. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. Now, of course, I went to the app. I played with all of the EQ settings. I tuned it. I used the auto tuning feature. This is the best that it could sound, and it does sound great. It really does sound great until you pull out a JBL Charge 5 and you come out with that same song. Then it doesn't really sound that great anymore. Check this out. Notice how louder it got? Watch when that bass kicks in. See, with the JBL, you can clearly hear all of the instruments crystal clear. But the main thing about this Sonos speaker is the size. It's going to blow you away. Anyway, Sonos Roam, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a major go. I mean, I wouldn't break my back to go out and get one of these. But if you got a Sonos system in your house already and you want the Wi-Fi speakers, multi-room features, then get it. But the JBL Charge 5 is clearly the winner. Anyway, Sonos Roam, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah. One more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock run the beam up.